All right, yeah, so I got this cool Leatherman Signal for Christmas. Let me get up just a little bit there. Nice little sheath that it comes in. I got the burgundy one. And it's pretty cool. It's got a lock mechanism right there. I don't know if you guys see that. So that it will no longer open. It's got a carabiner bottle, so you can just clip it on to something. And I believe this also doubles as a bottle opener. It's got some hex tools. I don't know what the heck you'd use those for. Nice little belt clip as well. Then it's got your standard pliers with wire cutters. And we've got can opener. And it also has their cool screwdriver, which flips out to a Phillips or a flathead. And then it's got a little button here to release that. And then it also has, not exactly sure what this is. It's kind of like an awl. It's not super sharp. I guess it would be an awl because it's got the hole there so you could sew with some leather. And then other standard things. It's got a nice blade with a little bit of serration, and hopefully you guys can see that there. Is that focusing too close? It's got the shiny stick. The Explorers Club. Pretty cool. My stepson got me this. And it's also got a saw. All right, so let's check it out. There's a couple other things you guys might be noticing, like, hey, what's up with this over here? This is a little sharpening stone. Like, I would only ever use this in an emergency. If anything, I was thinking about putting using a file to put like a good edge right here on this, and then use it for this other piece, which I'll show you here. As you see, we got this here, right, which is a little ferro rod. So we take that out. It's got a little release there, and then you just pop it out. Okay, and then you can see it's got a little notch on the end where it hooks in right there, and then clips back in place. Now, it came with this guy, the green, and my stepson thought it would be cool to get me the red one to go in there so it looks a little bit slicker. It's also got a little whistle. It's a little emergency whistle. Not the best whistle, but if that's all you got, it might work. So we're actually going to try using this today to start our fire. I want to go ahead and use the saw. Let's just try cutting through it for kicks. It binds. And it is doing the trick. So if we needed a nice flat, that would work. Saw blade effective. But what I really wanted to do with it was create some sawdust. Let's get some cedar sawdust in there too. There we go. We got a little bit of sawdust. Help start our fire. Pretty cool. So the blade on the knife does not have a straight edge on the back of it, but there is on the saw, so that's a good thing. All right, let's get some more tinder. Yeah, let's see if we can use this to make some curls. Now it does work. The tricky thing is you can't really use the serrated part because then it just wants to dig. It has appears to be an aggressive angle, so it wants to dig into the wood really quick. Could be user error. Probably. I wouldn't want to use this all the time. But as you can see, in a pinch, it will work. Okay, I think we got enough stuff to get it started. Let's see how it batons. Can't do much. Well, it did baton through some maple. The cool thing about Leatherman is that they're here in Oregon, and you can go to any of their stores. It probably works wherever they have an outlet store, and they will resharpen everything for you free of charge. Or last time I was there anyway. Oh, the other cool thing I didn't notice, not only do we have the carabiner bottle opener, but it's also got a surface there for some hammering. Again, everything's pretty damp, so we're gonna use a little bit of fat wood. We'll just make some quick fat wood curls. They do have locking mechanisms. Hopefully you can see that there, so that it holds it in place, which is a nice safety feature. A little musical, but it does make nice scrapings. All right, let's see if we can get a fire going. Huh, look at that, it works. Brilliant. So yeah, so this is, let's see if we can get a logo shot there. This is the Leatherman Signal. Yeah, there you go. All right, got the fire going. Gonna let that go, get some coal so I can get some water on. Gonna make some tea and have some raisin bread that the wife made for Christmas. Toast some of that up on the grill really quick. And then it looks like I need to do some fixing on the Ford here. Yeah, so wrapped around. I guess it really wasn't. Yeah, okay. That wasn't super secure, that's for sure. Yeah. So once it got gusty, probably stretched a little here. We had some serious wind going on. Yeah, I just put slip knots on both sides. So it was enough when we didn't have crazy windstorm, but crazy windstorm said nada. I did bring the saw, my Silky, just happened to be in the pack, but I guess we can go ahead and clean up some of those limbs that fell down. The fire needs a little love. There you go. It works. I really don't know why you'd want to use it though. unless you had absolutely nothing and you needed a precise cut. Because that's about the biggest you're going to want to cut with that, and you know, technically you could snap that. Like so. The silky. I'm gonna go with about the same size. Well, there you go. Let's see. About 3 big teeth. It's about 4 or 5. So 1.5 times the size. Works much better. Little silky gone boy for the win. I was gonna try toasting this, but I don't know, the fire, like I said, it's a bit smoky. Oh, the handle's got a little sticky and a bit warm. I don't know. We'll just warm it up really quick. We'll see. We'll see how smoked raisin bread works out. Homemade raisin bread. Some homemade raisin bread there. And some yummy dark tea. Can you see that? Come on, focus in. Toast it up nicely. Oh boy, that's good. Well, the good news is it didn't really get smoky. This is gonna be hot. Thank you to the lovely wife for making this awesome bread. So yeah, so there you go. Gear review, Ford update. Merry Christmas belated. I didn't get a Christmas video out. That's kind of a bummer. We did go on a Christmas Eve hike, but which that'll be, you will probably already have seen it by the time you've seen this. That's good. All right, hopefully you guys liked the video. Hit the like button. Even if you didn't like it, hit it. Ring the bell, subscribe, all that good stuff. This is Shiny Stick Explorers Club saying Happy New Year. Peace out, enjoy the outdoors, and we'll see you next year. Tea and crumpets.